Ready to manage your money from anywhere? Logging into Bank of America's online banking is your first step to accessing accounts, paying bills, and more, all from your computer or phone. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Go to the Bank of America website or open the mobile app. On the login page, enter your online ID and passcode. If you're a first-time user, you'll need to click Enroll to set up your online banking credentials using your account number, social security number, and card details. Once logged in, you'll see your account dashboard with balances and recent transactions. For security, you might be prompted to verify your identity with a one-time code sent via text or email. My crucial pro tip? Bookmark the official login page. To avoid phishing scams, always type bankofamerica.com directly into your browser or use your official app. Never click on login links from emails or texts you weren't expecting. Gain secure, instant access to your finances in under a minute. Do you use online banking more on your computer or your phone? Let me know in the comments. For more clear financial guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.